In a bright jungle, Pinku the Parrot loved to sing. Every morning, he filled the trees with melodies. Kalu the Crow and the crows made fun of him. They laughed at his soft singing, calling him weak. Pinku felt hurt, but he kept believing in his talent. A fire broke out, putting all the animals at risk. Pinku flew high and used his loud voice to warn everyone. His call traveled far, and help arrived in time. The animals were saved, and the fire was stopped. Kalu felt ashamed and apologized to Pinku. He understood the value of Pinku's gift. Pinku forgave him, and they became friends. The jungle learned, never mock someone's talent. You never know when it might save the day.